Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel, Just Gone Riding. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Alright, today I'll be talking about the Ignitech programmable CDI which I've just installed on my Africa Twin XRV650. The set that I've got is basically the CDI itself together with the connector adapter which connects directly to the stock adapter of the bike and also the COM USB cable. This is the one. This is with a direct connector. It connects to the stock adapter of the bike and with a connector to the laptop. These are the old CDIs, if you can see from here, already melted. It can still start and it works perfectly. Because the circuit inside is still intact. So with this Ignitech CDI, I can actually program the ignition timing. The ignition over here, the ignition map is actually provided by Ignitech themselves. This is specifically for the XRV650 Africa Twin. For the Ignitech CDI to connect to the laptop, what you need is basically the cable. The cable has been provided by Ignitech, but you just need to download their files to install to your laptop so that it can connect to the CDI. If you don't install that file, you won't be able to connect, even though you have actually physically connected this cable to your laptop. So right now, I'll just start the ignition. There you go. It says that the CDI is connected. So here, unit and PC settings are identical. So that means the ignition map for the XRV650 has been loaded into the CDI. And let's start the engine. So right now you can see that the CDI is actually transferring and showing all the data of the bike over here at the program. So what it does is basically this fuel map, ignition map, actually advances the ignition timing because the old original stock CDI has been actually programmed for use with RON 91 or below petrol at those period of time in the 80s. So right now, since RON 95 and above fuel are so common, it is actually better for us to use a more advanced ignition timing fuel mapping, as we know that RON 95 fuel can actually prevent pre-ignition, and some people say that the higher the octane number, the fuel will be able to burn slower. So by advancing the ignition timing, you're basically igniting the fuel much earlier, so that because it creates the burn when it reach top dead center, you'll be able to have a maximum power at that time. Well, with the original mapping, I think it had a lot of poppings, so I'm not sure whether after with this more advanced ignition timing, whether the poppings will still be there. but let me have a test ride and report it back here.